Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Matcha Mochi Cupcakes. This was my first time making them, and I was surprised that this recipe actually worked out well. In a mixing bowl, I added the wet ingredients first and mixed well. Then, I added the dry ingredients and mixed everything well together again. After the batter looked nice and smooth, I put the batter into silicone baking cups and baked them. Once the Matcha Mochi Cupcakes cooled completely, I dusted the top with powdered sugar since the silicone baking cup was pretty enough and didn't need extra frosting. If I made these cupcakes in regular cupcake liners, I would have added some frosting on top. Anyways, if you like mochi or matcha desserts, I highly recommend this recipe. The list of ingredients is posted on my website sugarcoder.com, as well as in the video description. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.